Today we are making a hearty sourdough rye bread, rustic, flavorful and perfect for any meal. Let's get started. Let's start by making the starter. Combine 60 grams of rye flour and 60 milliliters of water. Mix well, cover and let it rise until bubbly and double. For day 2 and 3, just repeat from day 1. For day 4 and 5, repeat the steps of day 1 except take out 30 grams of old starter first before adding the flour and water. Start with 300 grams of bread flour and 200 grams of medium rye flour. 13 grams of salt. Now add 200 grams of sourdough starter. Make sure it's active and bubbly. Pour in 325 milliliters of water. Mix everything until it comes together into a shaggy dough. Now flour your workspace. Now knead the dough using a slapping method for about 7 minutes. Now transfer the dough into a well-oiled bowl, cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. Now let's fold the dough. This will help to strengthen the gluten. Cover it again and let it rest for another 20 minutes. Now flour your workspace again. Divide into half. Today I'm shaping it into a round shape. Cover and let it rise for another 30 minutes. Take an empty baking tray and pour a cup of water into it. Place it at the lowest level of your oven and set your oven to 240 Celsius. You can score the bread if you want, it's optional. Once ready, bake it in the oven for 30 minutes. When during the last 10 minutes. Enjoy!